Okay, I'm going to show you some best practices and possible pitfalls of dimensioning this really quick. One of the things that I really want to mention is if you look at this extension line here, it goes all the way down here along the wall, and really we don't want it to be a wall line, so what we want to do is click on it and move the tick mark or the cursor to right there and hit escape, so that's not overriding the wall at all or causing any conflict. We have the same problem right here somewhere. Sometimes you have to choose the right one. It's right there, and pull that up just like that. Okay, so you should have, what that also did was create a separation between the extension line and the actual object that we're dimensioning. In a later video, we'll get into how to really actually dimension a bay window. We can do this in a detail drawing, or we could probably also get it just on this one. But the other thing that I talked about in the previous basic dimensioning video is these dimensions going across here. Really, the dimension that I put from here to here doesn't matter, because this is really what locates everything. And so this is fine for right here. And what I'm going to do is one more interior dimension demonstration. And so I'm actually on the annotation panel, so I can hit that continue right there. So go ahead and hit dimension, and we're going to base everything off of the outside. So I'm going to come up here and get that right there first. Actually, I'm not so certain that that's going to work so well. I'll just base it off of right there, and then come like this. You got to force it to be straight, don't let it get crooked, and then we can hit continue like this, and then I'm going to go to the outside wall right there, and there we have an interior dimension. Okay, the other one that, well, we were showing the depth of the closet here. This is actually also one that was missed here, so we're going to delete this one, and I'm going to do a new dimension from actually here to there. Pull it up and snap it, hit continue, go just like that. Okay. So really what you want to do is make sure that your dimensioning is not like conflicting with certain things. This and once you have your text also back on, I could turn the text on. We would also go in and adjust both the text and the dimensioning, so we don't have dimensioning on top of the text like we would right here. So either we can pull the text down or the dimension down, or move the text out of the way. Okay, we'll talk a little bit more about the text in another video.